Starting around 16 October 2023, Dogecoin basically is exchanging at $0.060 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, or so they fundamentally thought. Doge by and large has an essentially complete market cap of $8,465,797,678, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $246,449,079. Further appearance, how Doge for the most part has a sort of all-out market cap of $8,465,797,678, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $246,449,079 in a sort of significant manner. This truly makes Dogecoin, Doge, especially positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market in a by and large enormous manner. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin in every way that really matters be exceptionally worth in 2023, which basically is very huge. Is Dogecoin a kind of wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an all things considered huge way? Will Doge cost in a real sense outperform its untouched all things considered high in a huge way? These basically are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost by and large is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of $0.093, the normal extremely least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to really be $0.089 in a truly significant manner. Besides, Doge can in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.098 in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around an especially least of $0.072, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost can for the most part arrive at a kind of limit of $0.082, with the by and large normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars. For the most part further appearance, how might Doge cost truly outperform its untouched high, which explicitly is very huge? Dogecoin value forecast September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin most certainly anticipated to sort of reach at least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Doge cost could by and large arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.085, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, so these are our Dogecoin cost forecasts for Doge's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.086, which basically is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin by and large is in a real sense anticipated to in every practical sense reach at an especially least worth of $0.086 in November 2023 in an unpretentious way. The Doge cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.093, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, showing how Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin truly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.086 in November 2023 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value forecast December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is generally anticipated to for the most part reach at any rate worth of $0.089 in December 2023 in a kind of enormous way. The Doge cost could explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.098, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023 in an in every practical sense huge way. Dogecoin certainly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been most certainly diminished by 0.63% in its essentially current worth. exhibiting that Dogecoin kind of passed value examination. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been generally diminished by 0.63% in every practical sense, current worth. Which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the very current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap truly is additionally down, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the Doge fundamentally was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 2.07%, exhibiting how while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $0.086 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin truly has shown areas of strength for genuinely all goals and purposes potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally will be by and large anticipated to truly reach at a kind of least worth of $0.089 in December 2023. Which especially is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge sort of diminished by 36.961%, wiping out an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.035 from its kind of current worth, exhibiting how inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge certainly diminished by 36.961%. Killing an astounding sort of normal amount of $0.035 from its extremely current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a by and large great, certainly purchase a potential open door for genuinely fast venture. Which fundamentally shows that Dogecoin value expectation September 2023, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense, is generally anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 30.70%, and the cost generally flowed from a by and large least truly normal cost of $0.085 to pretty greatest fundamentally normal cost of $0.088 in the beyond 90 days. Further appearance how this unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time. Implying that it can explicitly be in all things considered, great truly purchase an open door for kind of fast speculation. Which for the most part shows that Dogecoin value expectation September 2023, the cost of Dogecoin especially is somewhat anticipated to especially reach at a truly least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin explicitly is somewhere near 16.26% with the kind of greatest especially normal cost of the coin especially was around $0.076 and the kind of least exceptionally normal cost of sort of was around $0.073 in kind of beyond 4 months, exhibiting